My interview experience with Zeta. This is day 1 of interview experience series. I applied Zeta on Feb 19 through their career portal and got a call back from the recruiter the very next day. And subsequently my interviews were scheduled. This was for an SDE2 position, front-end Bangalore location, and there were a total of 3 rounds, 2 technical and 1 managerial. The first call with the HR lasted around 30 minutes where we discussed around my background details, my current and expected salary, notice period, and he told me the first round will be an DSA round, so I started grinding lead code. So after a week I had my round 1, and during the interview I realized that this was not an DSA round. Basically this was a JavaScript round because the interviewer started asking me questions related to JavaScript. So these were the questions. The first question was an output based question with several console.logs. Second question was to implement a listen to function, which will basically listen to the objects increment and decrement methods, and it should store the outputs of those methods. And when we will call listener.call, it should print the stored output. The third question which was asked was to differentiate between promise.all and promise.all settle. And further, I was asked to implement a polyfill for this promise.all. The next question was this output based question, and further I was asked a follow-up to modify this function so that it works correctly and prints the fruit names correctly. So after this round, I had one more round which was a DSA round, and during this round I was asked to find the lowest common ancestor of an BST. So after I implemented the code for this, I was asked to come up with the edge cases, test cases and improvements around this function, and there was also some discussion around data structures in JavaScript. So after a week of waiting, I finally received my rejection email. More interview experience are coming up, so make sure to like, comment and follow me for more videos.